morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay,
Hello,
hello.
ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
I would have been an army officer.
I would be an IT professional.
I would have been a social activist.
I would have chosen counseling.
Run a kirana store.
To be a psychologist.
To do business.
I have chosen business, sir.
Organic farming.
कंपलसरी आर्मी में जाता.
Become an author. I would have had my own restaurant.
Of course, social media influencer.
To become an air hostess.
I wanted to become a volleyball player.
I would have chosen CS.
I would have gone for CI of police.
టీచర్ కాకపోతే అంటే నేను చిన్ననాటి నుండి కూడా నా గోల్ అనేది టీచర్ వృత్తిలో ఉండాలి అన్నది.
तो मैं एक राइटर होती.
టు బికమ్ ఏ డాక్టర్ సార్.
If not teaching, I would choose civil services. I want to serve the real Bharat.
బ్యాంక్ మేనేజర్.
ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్ సార్. నేనైతే యాక్చువల్లీ క్రికెటర్ అయ్యాను. నాకు ఆర్టిస్టిక్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం.
I would have chosen to become an IAS officer.
I would have become a businesswoman.
ఎంపీడీఓ అయిదాం అనుకున్నా.
Teaching is a field where we can share our knowledge. I used to enjoy my teachers' teaching when I was in school.
I had inclination for a social change in society, and teaching was something that came very natural.
Because I really love teaching kids, shaping their future.
So actually it's my passion.
And it's my passion to be with the, kids around me.
From childhood, when I was listening to my school teachers and all, I wanted to be a teacher. When I started loving teaching kids and I was becoming more comfortable with them.
Because my mom is a teacher, she has experience of almost like 28 years.
मतलब अच्छा लगता है बच्चों के साथ अभी मतलब उनको पढ़ाना और ये मेरा एक वो पैशन बन गया है कि मैं एक अच्छा टीचर बनूं.
I was really inspired by my art teacher during my schooling days.
I was very much impressed with one of my school teachers.
And here in teaching field, we can gain knowledge and we can give knowledge.
Even a one scratch can change a lot of things. That's all I believe. That's the reason I chose to become a teacher.
I took inspiration from my teachers in my childhood days.
क्योंकि कभी हम बच्चों से सीखते हैं, कभी हम आसपास से सीखते हैं. तो इस प्रोफेशन में हम रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने इस प्रोफेशन को चुना.
We can shape the student.
Because I'm passionate about the contribution towards the mankind through education.
क्योंकि टीचिंग एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है जिसमें हम बच्चों को बहुत कुछ सिखा सकते हैं ताकि वो अपने देश के प्रति पूर्ण रूप से समर्पित हो.
एक्चुअली मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि अगर हम लोग जो सीख रहे हैं बच्चों को भी सिखाएं तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
Every day we can learn new things.
Because I get a chance to learn every day, and even I get a chance to shape your young minds. Because it also again gives me that opportunity to give my efforts towards the society, but through education.
Well, that's very incidental actually. I used to teach as a student. I used to teach my neighbor's children. She wanted help with her kids. They were not too good in English, so she told me that, Mamrita, if you could help. I said okay. Somehow I fell in love with teaching. Shaping lives is not something to be put on the walls only. It is actually what we have to do. We have to walk the talk. So when we have the responsibility of these young people on our hands, a lot of sincerity is very, very important towards our profession.
I would say that let's not stick to our textbooks, but to see what is happening around us, connect the students through our subjects to the society at large.
Have some patience while dealing with students.
So instead of instructing them, inspire them. Because if you inspire, they really do well in their future.
Main first thing, time management, sir. And health, sir, very important. Because coming to school morning and all, we have skipping our breakfast and all.
Try to be more patient to children. Try to counsel them, give them that homely environment.
See, sir, there are so many different kinds of children out there. We can't tell in same technique for everyone. So They have to be kind.
तो मैं उनको ये एडवाइस दूंगा कि बच्चों से वो मतलब अच्छे से प्रेम पूर्वक रहें, उनसे अच्छे से बातें करें, और जो बच्चे मतलब थोड़ा टीचरों से डरते हैं उन्हें प्यार से समझाएं.
So my advice to the budding teachers would be to have more patience, compassion, and to be a good listener.
My first advice will be, don't come to the teaching profession just for the money sake, or just it is a stress free job, or it is like 8 to 4 job like that. If you are really sincere, you have the passion of teaching, then only come.
Just to avoid the disadvantage of social media, I want teachers to give them a real life experience and real life examples.
There should be more patience, and they should listen to the children if they are coming up with any concerns. So they have to listen to patiently.
कि उनको बच्चों के साथ बहुत पेशेंस, धैर्य रखने की ज़रूरत है और उन पे बहुत ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है.
If you want to become a teacher, first of all, you have to be a good learner.
That never stop learning and growing. Be a role model not just for your students, but also for your colleagues and juniors.
Be patient and flexible. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ లెర్నింగ్ కెపాసిటీ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్. అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ మనం పేషెంట్గా ఉండకపోతే మనం వాళ్ళని హ్యాండిల్ చేయలేము.
It will be like we should not bound it by only the finishing the syllabus or not only in academics. We should do some other thing also along with academics. Like just observe their behavior. We should correct that. Observe that we should give them learning about the moral values of life.
I say thanks for inspiring me and being my favorite teacher from then till now.
I would say thank you. And somewhere down the line, they have inspired me to become a teacher.
Name Ruchi Bhatnagar ma'am. I just want to thank you, really wants to thank ma'am, because she is the one who just see that I have something, and especially for this profession only.
Especially, I would like to thank them, being inspiring as a teacher.
I would definitely thank them for like believing me and inspiring me throughout my learning process.
A big thank you, sir. That's it.
So I will tell it's all because of you. This courage and this passion has come to me. So even she used to be very caring and loving with kids. So I have learned from her only. So I just go and tell the same thing to them.
I will definitely tell them that, sir, I have become a teacher like you. I'm very happy to be a teacher.
तो मुझे याद है कि मेरे फेवरेट टीचर और जिनसे मैं बहुत डरता था वो मेरे संतोष और मैथ्स सर थे. उन्हीं की वजह से मैं शायद मैथ्स में पास हुआ हूँ 10th क्लास. अदरवाइज मुझे मैथ्स में बहुत डर लगता था. तो वही मेरे फेवरेट टीचर है. मैं उनसे बोलूँगा कि सर थैंक्स, एक्चुअली आपने मेरा 10th क्लास मैथ्स मुझे पास करा दिया.
I would like to say that I was very glad to have a teacher like you who helped me to see the potential in me and help me to polish it too, so that I can actually have a future with this talent in me.
Only one word. I miss you, sir, or I miss you, ma'am. That's it.
Of course, my school principal ma'am, because I did a lot of masti and she always saved me. I don't know why. I will just give her one message. Thank you so much for giving me such a good memories of the school.
So I just want to say one thing, like thank you so much, because they are the inspiration to become a teacher.
Yeah, definitely I would say my maths sir, especially Madan sir. So I would definitely thank him for whatever he has taught me. I'm here teaching the children, motivating them towards mathematics.
I tell them first thank you.
అంటే సార్ నాకు ఆ విధంగా నాకు ఆయన బోధించడం వల్ల నేను ఈ స్థానంలో ఉన్నాను అని చెప్తాను. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఆ వృత్తిని చూసే నేను ఈ వృత్తిని ఎంచుకున్నాను.
मेरे फेवरेट टीचर है मेरे 10th क्लास के साइंस टीचर जीडी मिश्रा सर. सर मैं आपको बहुत मिस करती हूँ और आपको मैं हर रोज़ इंस्पायर करती हूँ. आपका टीचिंग आपका जो स्टाइल था वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं हर रोज़ इंस्पायर किया.
I will definitely say him that thank you for everything what he taught in the class.
Actually, I don't have any favorite teachers because I feel the same love. I give same respect to all the teachers.
but I do have a role model in my life who is my dad, and I want to thank all the teachers. Thank you. क्योंकि मैंने उनसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखा. पेशेंस जो है मैंने उन्हीं टीचर से सीखा है कि जब हम कुछ भी करते थे मैम जो है ब्लाइंडली हम पर ट्रस्ट करती थी.
उनको तो सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगी कि उनकी वजह से मैं आज यहाँ पर खड़ी हूँ.
తను మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఇన్స్పిరేషన్, మీరు ఎలా టీచ్ చేశారు, మీ వల్ల నేను ఎంత ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యాను, అదంతా నా ప్రొఫెషన్లో పెట్టుకున్నాను. నేను టీచర్గా కావడానికి మీరు ఒక్కళ్ళే కారణం అని చెప్తాను. I just feel happy to meet them, and even I just immensely thankful to them, or pay gratitude to them.
She was I think I can only say one word for her, wonderful person, and I would really want her to meet me and tell her that I managed to do something with my life.